Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is like a revision about the comparative adjectives that we already discussed before, like the word smaller than. You remember smaller, bigger, prettier than? These comparative adjectives, do you remember them? Okay, that's what we're talking about today. It's about our lesson is about base words with inflections. Base words with inflections. Yes, we've heard about that before. Base words. In a word like that, smaller, you remember what's the base word here? The main big word? Small. This is the base word, and this little part is called an inflection or a suffix. Okay, we know that when we're comparing two girls or two things or two persons, we always add how many letters? We add two letters. Very good. We add ER. Perla is shorter than Anne. I'm comparing two girls, so I'm adding two letters. Very good. And we know that when we're comparing two, we also use the word than. We also know if we're comparing three things or three persons or more, how many letters do we add to the adjective? We add three letters. 1, 2, 3. We add EST. Like Perla is the shortest of all. And we know that we use the word the when we're comparing three or more. The shortest of all, the shortest one. Very good. So we know if you see this word then that you're comparing two things. We add er, like she is smarter than me. When I see the word than, I know I'm comparing how many things? Two, she and me. She is smarter than me. And I know also that when I see this word the, this means I'm comparing three or more. She is the smartest of all. I'm adding three letters and I see the word the. This means I'm comparing three or more things or more persons. Okay? We're still revising now. So, for an adjective like small, if we're comparing two things, we're gonna say smaller than. Smaller than, remember, we're comparing two, we use than. When we're comparing three, we add est and we use the smallest one. For an adjective like warm, we say warmer than if we're comparing two. We say the warmest if we're comparing three or more. For an adjective like slow, when we're comparing two, we add er. We say slower than. She is slower than me when I'm comparing two. And if I'm comparing three, I use the slowest and I add three letters est. Pretty, you say prettier than. If I'm comparing two, you say the prettiest. If I'm comparing three or more, she's the prettiest one in the class. Very good. So far, all that we know about it. But today's lesson is about this last word. Look at this word, okay? And look at it here. And see the difference between these two examples, okay? Slow, when I wanted to add the er, I wrote it as it is, slow, S-L-O-W, and I just added the er. And I did the same thing here, S-L-O-W, and I just added the E-S-T. But you look here, you see that there is a letter missing here. Here we have Y, but here the Y disappeared. Where has it gone? Look here, do you find the Y here? No, it's not here. Where has it gone? Yes, actually, we killed this monster Y and we replaced it with I. Whenever there is an adjective ending with Y, not like these ones are not ending with Y, but this one is ending with Y. So whenever you see an adjective ending with Y, you have to kill the monster Y. Kill it, shoot it. Kill the I and then put I instead of it. Here we kill the Y, we crossed it, we throw it away, and then we added I instead of it. You don't throw it and that's it. No, you throw it, you cross it, and throw it. And then, sorry, and then we add I instead of the Y. Then you can add the ER. The same thing here when I'm adding the EST. The same thing, I kill the Y, I throw it away. And then I put I instead of the Y, as you see here. And then I can add the EST. So always remember, when you see an adjective ending with Y, if you're writing a paragraph or something and you're comparing two things, we want to put ER. If you see an adjective ending with Y, don't forget. Kill it. Throw it away. And then put I instead of it. See an example here, the word pretty. Okay, this is exactly what happened. First thing, I cross the Y out. After I cross it, you have to put something at once. Don't forget to put I. And then you can put the ER in the end. It's gonna be prettier. This one is correct. You cannot add ER next to the monster Y, because the monster Y is gonna eat it. You have to kill it first, throw it away, and then put I instead. Let's see another example. The word easy, like the test is easy, the quiz is easy. That's an adjective. Okay, now I need to compare between two quizzes, for example. One is easier than the other one. So I need to put ER here. So what shall I do? It's a word with a monster Y, so what shall I do? Do I write ER here? Don't. The Y is gonna eat it. So, first thing, remember, shoot it. Kill the Y. Or cross it. Okay, throw it away. And then, put I. Once you cross something, you have to put something at once after it. So you cross the Y, throw it away, and you have to put something. You put the I. And then you can add the ER, or you can add the EST if you're comparing 3 tests or more. The easiest one, easiest. This is how I write the word easiest. No Y, you don't put Y here. Okay, so here are some adjectives, okay, and I need to change them to comparative adjectives. I need to compare two girls, for example. Which one is taller? So you gotta be careful. Is there a monster Y here? No. So I will simply add ER. Taller than. Taller than. And that's it. This one, shall I kill anything here? No, we only kill the monster Y. Fine. So I will just add ER. Smaller than. Watch out. Look here. Is there somebody to kill? Yeah. This monster, we have to kill it. So first, can you tell me what we're gonna do? Yes. First thing, we're gonna cross the Y. And once I cross something, you have to put something at once. What is it? Very good. You put the I. And then you can add the ER or the EST. Here you see, I kill the Y. I threw it away. And then I put I instead of the Y. And then I put the ER. Or you can put EST, by the way, tiniest. Tiny means very, very small. The next word, long. That's okay. I can add the ER or the EST very easily. Longer or longest. Very easy. The word short. Are we gonna change anything here? No, we only change words ending with Y. Though, since this word is not ending with Y, it's having T, so we're going to write it easily as it is: shorter than, longer than, tinier than, smaller than, taller than. All these adjectives are comparative. They are comparing how many things? 2. We have 2 letters here, remember. Very good. Now let's answer the book pages. Open your RN, please, page 169. Are you ready? See? Adding ER, EST, change Y to I. Remember the monster Y. Circle the word that best completes the sentence. So here you have in each sentence to think how many things we're comparing before you add ER or before you add EST. Or maybe we don't need to add anything at all. Maybe we're not comparing anything at all. Let's see here, number 1. My glue is sticky or stickier. Which answer is correct? Okay, we have to ask ourselves how many things I'm comparing here. Am I comparing my glue to your glue, for example? No, I'm just talking about my glue. I'm talking about one thing here. So, you're gonna use the one with ER? You think it's a good idea? No, very good. Only when I'm comparing two things I choose the one with ER. So the correct answer here is sticky. My glue is sticky. So circle this one, please. Sticky. Number 2, that chick is the fluffy. That chick is the fluffy or fluffiest of all. That chick is the fluffy or fluffiest of all. So stop and think. Am I comparing here? Yes, you can see the. That's a key word. Look for a key word here. You see the. That's one of the keywords that means I'm comparing 2 or 3. Yes, it means I'm comparing 3 or more. So you choose the one without EST or the one with EST. Yes, this is the correct answer because I'm comparing that chick to all the chicks. That chick is the fluffiest of all. This is the correct answer. So please circle this one. Number 3. This cupcake is yummy or yummiest. This cupcake is yummy or yummiest. You think, can you tell me? Look for keywords. Do you have keywords? Do you have than? Do you have the? Okay, the answer is no. Am I comparing my cupcake or this cupcake to other cupcakes? No. Am I comparing this cupcake to all the cupcakes? No, I didn't write of all here. So the answer is yummy. This cupcake is yummy. You're not gonna choose yummiest. Maybe if I say this cupcake is the, if I write the here, maybe it's gonna be yummiest. But I don't have the. This cupcake is yummy. That's just an adjective for the cupcake. Yummy. Number 4. My hat is the fancier or fanciest of all. Yes. Now you can ask yourselves how many things I'm comparing. 2 or 3 or more. Do you see the keywords? Yes, the correct answer is I'm comparing 3 or more. I'm comparing actually my hat to all the hats. And my hat is the best one. And there is a keyword here, the. So, what do you think? Fancier or fanciest? 3 letters or 2 letters, ER or EST? Yes, since I'm comparing 3 or more, I'll be choosing 3 letters here, this one. Fanciest. Number 5. Her bird makes the sillier or the silliest sounds. Her bird makes the yes, excellent, the silliest sounds, because you have this keyword the. I'm comparing between the sound of her bird and all the other sounds, and her bird sound is the silliest one. Number 6. Luke tells funny or funnier jokes. Again, how many things I'm comparing? Obviously, I'm not comparing anything at all. I'm just describing Luke's jokes. So I will choose funny. Luke tells funny jokes. And that's it. You cannot say funnier, the one with ER, because I'm not comparing Luke's jokes with Jones' jokes, for example. Okay? So you're gonna choose funny. This is the answer key for the page we just answered. Have a look. Check your answers. Okay. Now, let's go to page 179. Write the spelling word that completes each sentence. You have 3 words here: fast, faster, fastest. Do you know the difference between all of these? What is the difference between this one and this one and this one? This one I describe one thing. This one I'm comparing two things or two persons, so we add ER. This one we're comparing 3 or more, so we're adding EST. So let's answer number 1. The bus goes fast, faster, fastest. The correct answer is faster. What do you think? Is my answer correct? Not correct? Why? Yes, because I'm not comparing this bus with another bus. You're choosing the one with ER. Are we comparing two things here? I'm just talking about one bus here. So you cannot use this one. Yes, you're right. My answer is wrong. I should choose this one. The bus goes fast. Number 2. So cross this one and write it here, fast. Number 2. The truck goes dots than the bus. The truck goes dots than the bus. Yeah. I think you saw it at once. The keyword. Do you see the keyword? Where is the keyword? Where is the keyword? Than. When you see the word than, this means how many things I'm comparing. Yeah, exactly. I'm comparing two. So, which one you're gonna choose? The one with ER, faster, or the one with EST, fastest? Yes, faster. Because I'm comparing the truck with the bus. We're having truck and a bus, and I'm comparing them. So the truck is faster than, goes faster than the bus. So you write faster here, and then you cross it. Number 3. The car goes the slow or slower or slowest. The car goes the correct answer is yes. Sorry, that's not the choices here. These are choices for number 4, 5, and 6. So we're still here. The car goes the fast, faster, or fastest. The correct answer is fastest, the one with EST. Maybe some girls will tell me why. Here we're talking about only one thing, the car. So why did you choose this one? No, but I tell you that since we have this keyword, this means I'm comparing this car with all the other cars. This car goes the fastest. So take care. You see the difference between sentence number 1 and sentence number 3? This one, it doesn't have the. So I put fast. The bus goes fast. But here, just because I put this word the car goes the, I have to put fastest. Because this means I'm comparing 3 or more. Let's answer the next one. You have slow, slower, slowest. Number 4. The bug is slow or slower or slowest. The bug is slow, since I'm talking about one thing, one bug. The bug is slow. Cross slow and write it here. Number 5. The worm is dots than the bug. Slow, slower, slowest. We already used slow. We're not gonna choose it again. So it's either this one or that one. Slower or slowest. Yeah. I'm gonna choose slower. Very good. The worm is slower than the bug. I'm comparing the worm and the bug. I'm comparing two things. So you choose the one with two letters here. ER. Slower. Then you will write slower on the line. Number 6. The turtle is the dots of all the turtles. The turtle is the, yes, the slowest of all. Because I'm comparing this turtle with all the other turtles. So you choose the one with the EST, slowest of all. Here is the answer key. I will show it to you for page 179. Okay, make sure you're writing the answers correctly. Thank you for watching, and there will be a homework on Classera. Please do it on time. Thank you. See you. Bye.